In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a video slider in Elementor. If you're looking to elevate your website's dynamic appeal and showcase multiple videos beautifully, then you're in the right place. We'll guide you step by step through the process of creating an engaging video slider using Elementor, all in just a few easy steps. To get started, the first thing you'll need to do is install and activate the ultimate add-ons for Elementor. This toolkit will provide you with a range of powerful widgets that significantly enhance your Elementor experience. To install it, head over to the Plugins section on your WordPress dashboard. Click on Add New. Search for Ultimate Add-ons for Elementor, and once you find it, click Install Now. Once installation is complete, don't forget to activate the plugin by clicking the Activate button. With Ultimate Add-ons for Elementor now part of your arsenal, it's time to move on to the next step, using the Video Gallery or Video Carousel widget to create that compelling video slider. Navigate to the page where you would like to add the slider using Elementor Editor. Simply drag and drop either the Video Gallery or Video Carousel widget onto your page, depending on your specific needs and how you'd like your videos displayed. The widget comes with a simple interface that allows you to add your videos seamlessly. Click on the widget settings, and you'll see an option to add videos. This is where you can include videos from platforms like YouTube and Vimeo, or even self-hosted videos from your own server. Simply copy and paste the video URLs into the designated fields. Remember, if you're aiming for faster loading times and maximum reach, YouTube and Vimeo are fantastic options since they handle the bandwidth for you. Once your videos are loaded, it's time to polish your slider to align with your website's aesthetic and functionality. Within the widget settings, you can customize the layout to ensure your videos are showcased exactly how you envision. You might choose a grid layout for a gallery-like appearance or a carousel for an interactive sliding effect. Take full advantage of additional settings like autoplay, which automatically plays the videos without user intervention. A fantastic feature for capturing viewers' attention immediately. You'll also find options for adding or removing thumbnails, so users can easily see any available videos to watch. There you have it. A sleek and engaging video slider right on your web page, achieved in just a few straightforward steps. We've explored installing a crucial plugin, adding multimedia content, and refining the aesthetic to captivate your audience. With this setup, your website is ready to deliver a visually compelling multimedia experience. Enjoy experimenting with these settings until your design matches your vision.